The Bangladesh Shop Owners Association has demanded that the interest rate of bank loans be fixed at a maximum of 12% for the cottage, micro and medium sector. This demand has been made in a press briefing organized at the association's office in the capital's Mogbazar this morning. Shop Owners Association claimed that micro and medium sector entrepreneurs are in double trouble due to unbridled interest on bank loans. At the same time, after the notification of Bangladesh Bank, the banks have deducted a huge sum of money at the rate of 1% for the provision charge. Later, Bangladesh Bank cancelled the supervision charge, but the banks did not return the money deducted. The demand of the Shop Owners Association is that Bangladesh Bank should direct to return the money deducted through another notification.
নগদে ৫০০ টাকা বা তার বেশি পেমেন্টে পেতে পারেন ঢাকায় জমিসহ ২০ কোটি টাকার পুরস্কার।